After the class ended, the young man approached the revered master and asked, "Dear master, how is attentiveness to the Creator self-evident?" The master smiled and replied, "To understand this more deeply, you must attend the lessons taught by Allama Muzaffar. In his scholarly gatherings, he explains these matters comprehensively and precisely. There, ask him how the intellect inherently becomes attentive to the Creator." A few days later, the young man eagerly sought an audience with Allama Muzaffar. During a profound and intellectually rich session, the young man posed his question. Pleased by the youth's sharpness and earnestness, Allama Muzaffar began with a lucid and detailed preface on the role of the intellect in attaining knowledge. Allama Muzaffar stated, "The human intellect employs its affirmative knowledge to reach understanding of unknown affirmations, thereby achieving its ultimate purpose, acquiring proof, hujjah. By proof, logicians mean a set of propositions through which we deduce a new proposition. This set is called hujjah because it aids in proving the desired conclusion, and since it indicates the conclusion, it is termed evidence, dalil." He continued, "However, in the process of reasoning, not every proposition requires proof. In the course of contemplation, we must arrive at a set of self-evident propositions that serve as foundational premises. These propositions form naturally and axiomatically in the human mind, and since they require no external proof to validate other propositions, they are considered the principles of syllogism, mabadi al-qiyas. Allama Muzaffar explained that the principles of syllogism can be divided into 8 categories, one of which is yaqiniyat, certainties. He then added, certain propositions rely on self-evident premises. These self-evident truths, badihiyat, are the axiomatic foundations upon which analyses depend. They are divided into 2 types, primaries, awaliyat, and inborn propositions, fitriyat. Observations, mushahadat, empirical experiences, tajribiyat, and intuitive conjectures, hadsiyat. Allama Muzaffar elaborated. Primaries are propositions the intellect naturally affirms without external reasoning, such as, the whole is greater than its part. Inborn propositions are those the mind inherently accepts, but requires an internal mediator to affirm, such as recognizing that 2 is 1/5 of 10. He then addressed observations, empirical experiences, and intuitive conjectures. Observations, or perceptibles, are propositions the intellect grasps through the senses, like the sun emits light, or fire is hot. Empirical experiences are propositions affirmed through repeated observation, such as all fire is hot. Intuitive conjectures are propositions grounded in the soul's strong intuition, like judging the earth to be spherical. Finally, Allama Muzaffar addressed the question of attentiveness to the Creator. In my view, attentiveness to the Creator belongs to the second category of self-evident propositions, specifically intuitive conjectures. The evident signs in the natural world and the order of creation lead the human intellect to conclude that a Creator exists. Thus, the intellect naturally and axiomatically attains belief in the Creator. The young man listened intently, his understanding deepening. He nodded in agreement, now clearly grasping how attentiveness to the Creator, like other self-evident truths, arises naturally in the human intellect without need for complex argumentation. This answer lit a lamp in the young man's mind. With a tranquil heart, he realized that attentiveness to the Creator, as a self-evident truth, resides inherently within all humanity, requiring no elaborate proof or argument to affirm.